Boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for coming back. So in today's video there's not much. I'm just gonna quickly assess the damage on my rear bar, because if you haven't seen from the last video, the bottom right actually went in. So I'm gonna take the bar out and see if there's further damages. Also, my headlight is a bit hazy, so I might go back today and try and restore them, because we have a bit of leftover kit from last time. So we'll see what happens, but first things first, I gotta quickly head to the shops and grab a drone. So see you guys after. Boom! So just got back from the shops and I purchased the drone. So the drone I got was the DJI Spark. I got the fly combo, as you can see right here. We got it from JB Hi-Fi. It was on special. So there it is guys, the DJI Spark Fly More combo. So it was on special, so I got it. And also I got the Fly More combo because it comes with the extra batteries, remote and other stuff like that, like a case. So I'll head inside, quickly unbox it and then charge it. So catch you guys then. So there it is guys, just did the unboxing. So that's basically what's in the box. So if you didn't know what it is, I'll quickly show you guys. So basically you just get the actual drone, like look at that, very nice and small. So it's like about palm size. So if you're flying outside, they're probably just going to think it's a toy drone, but it's actually got a camera in it, so that's pretty good. And also it comes with this hard case, so you know the drone can be safe. And in that hard case, you also get the extra propellers or wings, whatever you want to call it. These are spares, so you know if those one ever breaks or you want to change them, you got some spares. Also comes with the remote, which is pretty good. So you hook your phone here and here, and then you can connect it to the camera, and then you can see what you're actually viewing. And also you can fly this without the remote, like you just download the DJI app, drone app, and then you fly it, and it still works the same. But you know, it came with control, so you might as well use the control. Also it came with the chargers, like you can this as well, charging dock, so you can charge 3 batteries at once, the spare batteries, and the wing protectors or propeller guides. So you know, it just hooks on like here or something, and it protects the wings. And yeah, the charging cable again, I think. So what's cool about this is you can actually charge it on the go. So where is it? I think there's a plug there. You can just open it and plug it to like a portable charger on the go as well. And you also get a nice shoulder bag with this combo pack, so you can store your drone, chargers, everything in here, whatever you want, and you're ready to go. So that's basically what you get inside the DJI Spark Fly Combo package. So basically you just get all those items. And yeah, so right now I'm actually gonna go inside, charge the drone so that I can fly it later and show you guys some footage. But while the drone is charging, I'm actually gonna pull my car up and assess the rear bar to see if there's any more damage. So if you saw in the last video, the right quarter panel actually went in a bit, or the right side of the rear bumper went in. So I'm gonna take off the bumper and try to put that back to normal. Alright guys, so change of plans. I know I said I was going to do the rear bumper, but I kind of can't be stopped taking out the rear bumper, so I think I'll leave that for next time. But in the meantime, what I'll do is, I think I'll try and restore my headlights. As you can see right there, it's just starting to get a bit hazy, like right there. So what I'm going to do is try to restore it over here as well. So both sides getting pretty hazy. So the kit I'll be using is the Headlight Lens Restorer by the Turtle Wax. So basically it comes with the sanding pads and the spray and the compound. So I'm gonna actually follow the steps and try my best, because this is actually my first time doing it, so I'm not too sure how it's gonna turn out. And also, if you see here, it should come with the base coat and lens sealing wipes, but we've used this kit before, so we used that wipe already, so there'll be no wipes. So we're gonna do all the steps but skip the last one, and hopefully I can bring the headlights back to normal. So it sounds pretty easy. Sounds like you just wash the headlights with like normal car washing stuff, and then you rub this compound on, and if your headlight is still hazy, then you move on to the sandpaper. So what happens is you spray this lubricant, keeping the sandpaper wet, and then you try and sand off the haziness, and after that you come back and you hit it with the compound again. But if you hit it with the compound first time, like the first step says, and then it's looking good, then you can just leave it there. Okay, with the headlights now washed and now taped up, we're going to try to use this lens clarifying compound, and hopefully it goes back to normal, because then it'll make it easier. Because if not, we have to try and sand it, and then that's an extra step. So right now I'm going to add the compound, and then we'll see how it goes. Holy shit, 100 times way better. So I actually saved heaps of time. Like, I didn't even need to use the sandpaper. So like I said before, if you use the compound and it turns out fine, then you don't need to use the sandpaper. Because I got lucky and all I did was use the compound, and it's already 100 times way better, so no sandpaper needed. So I'm not sure from that clip if you noticed the difference, but side by side next to the untouched one, you'll notice that the one I just did is 100 times way better. Look at that, look at that. So over there is the one I did, and over here is untouched. You already can tell, 100 times way better right here. Look at that, shiny as, hazy as, shiny as, hazy as. Like, damn, look at that. Look at that, 100 times way better. Look, looks like it's brand new. Alright, with the passenger side done now, it's time to move on to the driver's side. So what's actually going to happen now is I'm going to put in this blue tape right here, and I'm going to work on one side. So I'm going to treat this side and leave this side untouched just for now, to show you guys the real difference. So yeah, I'm not too sure if you can tell the difference, but look at that, treated and untouched. So I can actually tell a big difference. I'm not sure how it's on camera, but look at that. Like, it's really hazy here, and it's actually shiny as there. So I'm actually gonna pull off the tape now, and let's see the difference. Oh, can you tell the difference? Right there, the line is right there. Alright, so here's a better angle. Look at that. You can actually tell. Look at that. Fuck. Alright guys, so here's the headlights. Look at that, 100 times way better. So now they're both protected and both cleaned up. Look at that. And also, I wouldn't be surprised if it comes back hazy in the next few days, because what I was meant to do is what I was meant to do is use the wipes to actually wipe it when I'm finished, but you know, we already used the wipes, so yeah, so there's no more, and that's basically it. So now I'll get some drone shots and see you guys up in the air. Yee! So that's actually gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So I know it wasn't much, but I thought I might as well come here and make a video for you guys and, you know, not leave you guys hanging. So basically, as you saw before, was I did a quick headlight restoration. So basically it's really shiny now and all the haziness is gone and it's looking sleek and looking like it's brand new. And also hopefully you guys enjoyed the drone shots. I still need to practice as that was my first and second time using it. So hopefully in the future I can get better and smoother shots, as I just watched the footage and they were pretty good but they weren't as smooth. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like I said, it wasn't much in the video and I thought I'll come up and make a video as well. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a fat like, PHAT, and comment down below what I should do to my car next. And also let me know below if you guys prefer like more of a vlog in the garage or me just working on the car, or do you guys prefer more of like vlogs like going out and, you know, other stuff like drone shots and more raw vlogs like the last video. And yeah, that's gonna do it for tonight. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Till next time, laters.